Hey guys, back working on a front tine tiller today. I'm just going to show you how to replace the diaphragm in the carburetor. Picked this one up and guy had drained the gas out of it, so that was a good thing. But the diaphragm over time, they set in there, and what the diaphragm does, it uses engine vacuum pulses to pump fuel from the tank. This is a 3.5 horse Briggs, the old flathead, so it's got to pump fuel up into the carburetor. So it goes up into like a little bowl that sits in top of the tank, and then it pulls fuel from there for the engine to run. So if that diaphragm goes bad, it ain't gonna run. So I'm gonna get y'all flipped around here and y'all can see what we got going on. All right. We're on the back side of this 3.5. Right here is where your diaphragm is on these carburetors. I had to take the muffler off, pop this off so you can get to these lower screws. But in behind this cover, this is your cover, is your diaphragm. And you can see this one's had better days. It's gotten, it's not very pliable. It's not going to act like it should. And then this spring is in here. It goes behind the diaphragm into the carburetor. Good spring, and then this little smoother piece so the spring doesn't poke a hole into it. But anyway, whenever you pop that diaphragm out, that's going to fall out, so be careful not to lose this, because you need this for it to run too. Alright, here is a new diaphragm. See how flimsy that is? And it's very pliable. So this is what we need. So we'll get the spring and that cover, that washer in there. The washer goes out. The spring goes first, then that little silver piece goes in on top of the spring. And then put your diaphragm on, your cover, and those little screws. Now do not over tighten those screws. It is very easy to strip out those threads. So a lot of people think you have to tighten them so tight. No, you don't. You don't have to tighten them so tight, because this is pliable enough to be considered a gasket, so it makes its own sealing surface around the edges. Alright, I got that side cover on, and I just use a little screwdriver to tighten these screws up. Like I said, do not over tighten them, don't need it. Alright, we'll put this little breather back on. Got to put the tank screw in and the clamp, and we'll see if it fires off. Got that carburetor back together, that new diaphragm in it. Got some fresh fuel in it. Let's see what we got. Choke, wide on. Make sure the tines are disengaged. Alright, put the muffler back on it, then we know the carburetor's good. We don't have to get back into it and put the air box on it. Let's fire it up and see what we got. Choke, wide on. Sounds like we're ready to go.